Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
I'm Storm Track 7 Chief Meteorologist Mark Schnackenberg. Here's what we're tracking over the next couple of days. Record or near record high temperatures for Friday and Saturday. As we get into the weekend, it's actual elevated fire danger because we'll have some gusty wind out there. We'll explain a little bit more on that in a second. And then as we get towards at least the middle of next week, could be early part of next week as well. We're looking at some cooler weather finally moving into the picture. Not a whole lot of wind here overnight or into the day tomorrow. Still about 5 to 10 mile an hour wind, but that changes here for the weekend. Elevated fire danger again for the weekend. We got the hot temperatures, dry vegetation. We got all the crops that are drying on out in addition to everything else because we haven't had a lot of rain around here over the last couple of weeks. And now we're starting to see a little bit more in the way of wind. Gusty winds about 30 miles an hour, particularly Saturday and into all day Saturday and into Sunday morning. I think by the later part of the afternoon on Sunday, that wind dies down, and obviously it is harvest season. So please be very careful. There was a large field fire east of the Quad Cities here earlier today, so we don't want to have any of that here in eastern Iowa. So be careful here as we head into the upcoming weekend. Upcoming weekend. 50s expected for overnight lows tonight. Daytime highs will be warmer because it's going to be a little more sunny out there for the day tomorrow. We'll get close to 90 degrees. Futurecast showing the clouds will slowly thin on out, and then we'll have plenty of sunshine throughout the entire day here coming up on Thursday, as well as Friday, Saturday, and then again on Sunday. But as we look ahead, here's Sunday evening, again dry, still hot. But as we get into the overnight hours and into the morning on Monday, there will be a scattering of showers possible as the front slowly moves on through. This will be during the day on Monday, and also a chance for a couple of showers as we get into the day on Tuesday. Once this moves on by, that's when we'll see some cooler temperatures than the 80s and low 90s that we're expecting until that point. 50s for overnight lows tonight, anywhere from 55 to 58, and then daytime highs tomorrow. Should be near 70. That's our normal for this time of year. Look at the highs in the 80s to about 90 degrees. Now, your city-by-city forecast gets even warmer. Again, Friday and Saturday, even tomorrow. Tomorrow, Friday and Saturday, record to near record highs, 80s to low 90s, and some sunshine. Here's your 7-day forecast. We have the temperatures cool just a little bit, but still pretty warm on Sunday, and there's your wind for the weekend, south at about 10 to 20 miles per hour. Some of those gusts will be near 30 miles an hour. Notice the wind direction change. It becomes more of a northwest and northeast wind here for Monday and Tuesday. A couple of rain chances there. And then temperatures cool down just a bit, and that'll feel a whole lot more comfortable with highs close to 70, in some cases upper 60s, and overnight lows down into the 40s.